I think I trust
these ones.
Hey, never say never with these scammers.
Hi guys, welcome back to
our channel Recollector. Okay,
yes.
As we mentioned in our previous video, we'll be going through these booster packs and see what we find inside.
Yeah.
Okay, it's obvious. Snorlax. Let's get to it, guys.
Yeah.
Let's open them. Which ones?
You choose already.
Okay, these are the ones I will open. These are your ones.
Yeah, start.
Okay, let me just start. Put it there.
Start with that one.
Hopefully it's not like the last time where we suspected. It's a bit open. Let's just try and monitor this one as well. It seems to be. I think these ones are very.
I haven't found the trick yet.
Yeah, to reseal these ones. I'm not too sure. But never say never with these scammers. Leave it on the comment below. Look, if I pull a Snorlax here, I already bent this card. Okay, all right. Let's go straight to it. Chilling Rain. Okay. This card, these packs, they always look original. I must say, they always look original. As I just said, I bent this card. But let's hope we don't pull a Snorlax. Let's just say
otherwise
and continue. Otherwise, I'm dead.
Yeah, you said it, not me.
Kill those that reseal the cards. Those are the ones. Reverse.
I have
we
a
all
good
know.
Feeling.
It's a bad feeling, yeah. I'll leave it there. Okay.
Right.
This is our pool. Okay. The ugly yellow thing.
Leaf energy.
For that one. Leaf energy. Okay. Okay, then we go through the other ones.
Just finish it up.
Just finishing.
And
then the promo card.
Next one.
I'll leave it there. Next pack. It's this one. I think I trust
these ones.
Yeah, let me just try and be careful when I open them so I do not bend. Just leave a comment how you open this one.
Put there
on the side.
Okay.
There on the top and then slide it out. I figured it out. Chilling Rain. Facing for that Snorlax. Easy to open. No reseal. Anything, nothing. Okay. Let's hope now we'll find something interesting instead of these portal ones. Okay.
Ladybug.
Almost revealed a lot.
Reverse.
This is a reverse and no pull. Okay, on the reverse. No pull. This is our pull. Okay. Put it there. Finish up the cards. Okay. The doctor. Yes, I'm sick because I didn't pull anything. Okay.
Let me show you how it's done. Watch and learn.
Let's go. Let's see. You open from the top and then pull it from the top. I think it's something like that. I'm not too sure.
Now you're not too sure. Let me just do this so I won't bend them.
The cards here and then pull it out. More or less. Yeah.
Watch and learn.
Watch and learn. Let's just pull something now. Let's pull something.
Yes.
Let's pull something. Hopefully, Lavesta, let's go. Let's pull something. We really need a pull on this one.
Yeah. Reverse solo. Another one. I think we have this hollow.
No.
You don't have this
The
one?
bead read, no. Bead drill, no. It's a nice.
Track.
Just winning, and let's see. Okay.
Who's winning now? Who's winning?
No one's winning. No one's winning. VMAX will make you win.
You're gonna see it on the
VMAX
other
will
one.
make you win.
You're gonna see this on the other one.
Let's go.
You don't want gold?
Let's go. Hey, if you get that gold. Ooh. That gold. I'm really excited.
I'll show you the gold now. I think I saw something. I think I saw something.
You did that thing there. You're revealing it. Let me get ready with the sleeve. I think I seen something as well. This is really gonna make up for this this whatever.
Are you ready?
Hey.
Are you ready?
Hey. Let's fetch.
Bonzong.
Bring. Let's see it properly, please. Let's see it properly.
And it's a special one.
Oh, secret rare.
Yes.
It's a secret rare, bro. Zong.
Beautiful.
Metal transfer.
Told you the gold is coming.
Wow. Wow. The sleeve is ready. The sleeve is
Please
ready.
help me out here. I'm shaking.
Sleeve is ready. Yo, what a nice pull. What a nice pull. It made up for this video.
Oh.
This pull really made it.
And the code.
And the code. There is a pull.
I always won.
Yeah.
Like I told.
You always win. Yeah, it's fine. Your winnings are my winnings. Join the winning team.
A shiny one.
Yes.
It's a shiny one. Oh, it's beautiful.
Bronze one. Secret rare. Double secret rare. I'm joking. It's a secret rare. That was our pool. These are our pools for today.
Yeah.
Hey, we're happy about this one.
So far.
We're really happy about that one. Okay.
Yeah, because we've been bad lately.
Yeah, it's been really bad lately.
Yeah, so we're happy about this pool.
Really happy about this pool. Okay, I think today's video will end it here.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe
and comment.
And leave a comment, and if you spot something that we haven't spotted.
Yes.
Okay.
Feel free.
Feel free.
Yes.
Leave it there. There, down there. Okay, thank you.
Alright, thanks. Bye.